Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you this intense green smoky eye look in this tutorial. And the first thing I will do is priming my eyes with my MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre and my Zoeva 142 brush. And I will mattify my primer with the Catrice mattifying powder in translucent and my Zoeva 110 brush. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and the first shade is Golden Ochre. This shade will be my transition shade, so make sure you blend it very well all over your crease. I'm going to make the crease darker with the shade Cypress Umber. Build this shade up and blend the hard lines together with Golden Ochre. And apply more of Cypress Umber, because blending is the key to a perfect smoky eye look, so keep on blending. I'll use the L'Oreal Pure Black eyeliner on my lid, and don't take too much on your brush. Apply the eyeliner on your lid and blend a little bit up with your brush. Now I'm going in with the Makeupgeek Corrupt eyeshadow to blend the hard lines of the eyeliner I applied on my lid. Start with blending on the point where the eyeliner stops. After that, I will blend the black and brown shades together with Cypress Umber and the outer edges with Golden Ochre. The green eyeshadow I will use is from the Juvias Place Magic Palette. It's the shade Aya, and I will apply this with a flat brush all over the eyeliner. And blend everything together with Corrupt, Cypress Umber and Golden Ochre. I will take this Essence brush to draw a line close to my lash line with the L'Oreal Pure Black Eyeliner. And I will blend the shade Corrupt on my lower lash line. And I will blend it with Cypress Umber and my Catrice blending brush. I'm applying the same green shade from the Juvias Place Magic Palette called Aya. And I will highlight my inner corner with the NYX Embellissement pigment. And after that I will apply my lashes out front of camera, and I will apply a black eyeliner in my waterline. Some mascara on my lashes and my bottom lashes, and I'm using the Essence Maximum Volume Mascara. And this is the end of the video. I really hope you like how it came out. I love the result because I stepped out of my comfort zone for this look, so give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I hope to see you by my next video. Bye guys!